Skandagiri, a paradise for hikers. Having traversed numerous trails across Karnataka, including the majestic Kudremukh and the challenging Kumar Parvat, I have embarked on the Skandagiri trek for over 5 times, each visit revealing a new facet of its beauty. Drawing from these experiences, I share with you the essential tips to maximize your trek. In this video, you will uncover the secrets to making the most of your trek, ensuring an unforgettable experience. So watch the video till the end. Bangalore is surrounded by rugged hill fortresses in all directions, which are perfect for short hikes. Moderately difficult trek, stunning vistas, and spectacular cloud-bed view makes Skandagiri best hiking destination near to Bangalore. Skandagiri welcomes trekkers year-round. From June to September, you'll find yourself enveloped in clouds. While March to May offers stunning sunrises in clear weather. However, the pinnacle of Skandagiri's charm is unveiled between December up to February, when the famed cloudbed view is at its most magnificent. Hence, winter is the best season to hike Skandagiri. Keep an eye on the weather forecast. When the weather forecast in and around Bangalore is misty or foggy, that's the best chance to get the cloudbed view. The trek spans 3 kilometers one way, with some steep ascents. Active individuals will find the trek enjoyable, while those less accustomed to physical activity may find it challenging but achievable. After a strenuous climb, trekkers are rewarded with spectacular views and amazing sunrise, making the effort worthwhile. At the summit, you'll find an ancient abandoned Shiva temple, adding a touch of mystic to the experience. After witnessing the spectacular sunrise and the amazing cloudbed view, the descent, which typically takes between 1 to 1.5 hours, reveals Skandagiri in all its daylight splendor. The ruins of the ancient fort wall meander across the hill. While large monolithic rocks stand as silent sentinels. The descent is made all the more delightful by the chorus of chirping birds and the cool shade provided by the thick vegetation. As a sunrise trek, a torch is indispensable. Ensure your footwear has good grip. Hiking poles, though optional, can be immensely helpful. Warm clothing is essential to combat the wind and cold at the peak. Pack dry snacks, fruits, and plenty of water, as there is no water source at the summit. Skandagiri, also known as Kalvara Durga or Kalvara Betta, lies approximately 60 to 80 kilometers from Bangalore's bustling IT hub. The trek entry typically begins around 4:45 and sometimes a bit earlier. The well-marked trail makes it feasible to trek solo or without an agency. Public transport options are scarce, so driving or riding your vehicle is advisable. Ample and safe parking is available. Book your hike well in advance on the Karnataka Forest Department website. The adventurous trek culminates in a profound connection with oneself, nature, and the divine. So that's the end of this trek. Beautiful trek. We started around 4:45, 5 o'clock maybe, and it's around 10 o'clock now. So it took 1 hour 15 minutes to come down. Amazing, totally worth it. To summarize, check the weather forecast and plan your trek when mist or fog is predicted. Book your trek well in advance from the Aranya website. Carry a torch, footwear with good grip, and warm clothes. I hope you have a wonderful trek to Skandagiri with these tips. Don't forget to share your experience at Skandagiri in the comments below. If you want me to make more such videos, please comment on what the next trek you would like to see.